welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, hello, my name is Nicole Khumalo. I post makeup tutorials and fashion try-on hauls, so if you're interested in seeing any of those videos, you can just click on the little red subscribe button down below. And if you want to get notified every time I post a new video, then you can click on the little gray bell next to the subscribe button. So today's makeup tutorial is on this gorgeous look right here. I love it. I love how it turned out. It is extremely time consuming. I am so late, but I love how it turned out. I love the colors. It's very dramatic. I'm trying to step out of my shell like I said in the last video, but I really like how it turned out. And if you want to see how I created this look, then you can just keep on watching. Hey guys, so let's just dive right in because I am running 20 minutes behind schedule. So okay, so moving on to the eyes, I'm going into my Morphe 35P palette, and I'm going to take this color and work it in my crease. Okay, so now I'm going into this color over here. So I'm switching out brushes. I'm taking this tiny Real Techniques brush, Essential Crease brush, and I'm dipping into this black eyeshadow, and I'm going to try and concentrate that over here. So I'm just going to run the blending brush over these two colors. Crease brush and a concealer, really light one, and I'm just gonna carve a crease out of this. First I follow my natural crease, and then after that I extend it. Okay, so I'm just gonna set that area. Okay, so I pressed out a little bit too much of the concealer, so I'm just putting it on my face. I'm gonna blend that into my face because it's out already. This. It's a good crease. What's not to like? I would like to make the cut a little bit more, what's the word, intense. Okay, so using this NYX Studio liquid liner, this is in the color Extreme Purple, I'm going to line the cut crease very carefully. See what I'm doing? I'm just literally tracing over where the crease is cut, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, so I'm going to go over the purple with this blue from Essence. This is in the color Blue Heaven. I'm just going to go over this purple one. So now I'm going to clean up the eyes. Okay, so I'm going to go into the ABH palette and I'm going to take red ochre and just run that along the top. Okay, so moving on to the face, but first I'm going to apply mascara. Okay, so I'm going to apply some winged liner because I feel like it. Rimmel 25-hour. Wow. Can you just imagine if I was going to school in this outfit? I would be so mad. Jeez, I would have probably stopped the tutorial. It's like right here. That's it, I'm done. I'm gonna set it. I'm not gonna put some concealer on because I have run out of time. With the Almay Spice blush palette. To do a cut crease in an hour was ambitious, even for me. Okay, so to finish off the eyes, I'm gonna go back in with this color over here and just run that along my lower lash line. Take this Essence Naughty Girl blush in the color Anchors Aweigh to my cheeks. It's a very muted blush. But you can see it. So as you can see, it's not really that, it's not there. So that's probably because I didn't do the whole concealer thing. So I'm just gonna take the powder that I usually set my concealer with, and I'm gonna carve my face out so that my cheekbones recede more. Alright, so I'm gonna once more go over with my face powder just to kind of blend everything in. For highlighter, I'm gonna go in with this highlighter from the Spice Blush palette. Okay guys, so I just finished off my highlight. My camera actually died, just a sign. But I'm just gonna finish off with the makeup finishing spray by M.O.D. Too light for this darkness. Should I darken it? Okay, so that's how that looks. It's pretty, but I'm gonna darken it for the sake of this dark look. I like this. Okay, so because I like this a lot, actually. Okay, I actually literally don't have time, so. Okay, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys, actually I didn't tell you what lip I'm wearing. This is the NYX lip lingerie in the color Bedtime Flirt. Love that. Mixed in with the little plum lip liner and you're sorted. So I love how this look turned out. It's very dramatic, it's very time consuming, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get my videos sent to your subscription tab, and if you want to get a notification, don't forget to click on the little gray bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!